Creating an efficient API using Serverless Framework and AWS, a comprehensive guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to DynamoDB. In the modern world of software development, creating efficient, scalable, and cost-effective APIs is crucial. One technology that makes this possible is DynamoDB, a NoSQL database service provided by AWS. DynamoDB is known for its seamless scalability and high performance, making it an excellent choice for developers looking to build robust applications. What is DynamoDB? DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service that provides fast and predictable performance with seamless scalability. It's designed to handle large amounts of data and can scale up or down automatically to accommodate the needs of your application. DynamoDB supports both document and key value store models, making it versatile for various use cases. Key features of DynamoDB. Scalability. DynamoDB automatically scales up and down to adjust capacity and maintain performance. Performance offers low latency response times, making it ideal for high-traffic applications. Flexibility supports a flexible schema model, allowing you to store and query data in diverse formats. Security provides built-in security features, including encryption at rest, IAM policies, and VPC endpoints. Global tables enables multi-region replication, ensuring high availability and disaster recovery. Configuring DynamoDB and Serverless.ym, a detailed guide. To leverage DynamoDB with the Serverless framework, configure it in your Serverless.yml file. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Install Serverless framework. First, ensure you have the Serverless framework installed. If not, you can install it using npm. npm install g serverless. Step 2. Create a new Serverless project. Create a new Serverless project with the following command. Serverless, create template AWS Node.js path, my Serverless app. cd my Serverless app. Step 3. Configure Serverless.yml. Open the Serverless.yml file and add the DynamoDB resource configuration. Your Serverless.yml file should look something like this. Service, my Serverless app. Provider, name, AWS runtime, Node.js 14.x. Region, US East 1. Functions, hello, hello. Handler, handler.hello. Events, HTTP. Path, hello. Method, get. Resources, resources. My DynamoDB table. Type, AWS DynamoDB table. Properties. Table name, my DynamoDB table. Attribute definitions. Attribute name id. Attribute type, s. Key schema, attribute name id. Key type, hash. Provision throughput. Read capacity units 1. Write capacity units 1. Step 4. Deploy your serverless application. Deploy your serverless application using the following command. Serverless deploy. This command will create a DynamoDB table named My DynamoDB table in your specified AWS region. Step 5. Interact with DynamoDB in your Lambda functions. Now that your DynamoDB table is set up, you can interact with it in your Lambda functions. Here's an example of how to put an item into the DynamoDB table. Const AWS equals require AWS SDK. Const DynamoDB equals new AWS DynamoDB document client. Module.exports.hello equals async, event equals greater than. Const params equals. Table name, my DynamoDB table. Item, id, 1, name, John Doe, semicolon. Try. Await DynamoDB.put params, promise. Return, status code, 200. Body, JSON.stringify message item added successfully. Semicolon. Catch, error. Return, status code, 500. Body, JSON.stringify error, could not add item. Semicolon. Conclusion. Using DynamoDB with the Serverless framework allows you to build efficient, scalable, cost-effective APIs. Following the steps outlined above, you can set up and configure DynamoDB in your Serverless.yml file and start interacting with it in your Lambda functions. This combination provides a powerful toolset for modern application development. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.